Hello everyone, welcome to new tutorial of SketchUp, and today we are going to see how to import files in SketchUp from the different software. So it's not only the software which we are going to use for 3D designing and other stuffs, but along with that we use Revit software, we use AutoCAD software and another planning softwares which we are going to use in our daily routine. So how we can use those files in SketchUp Pro. So let's see that. Let's start with opening the software. I would recommend always go for the higher version, like the updated series, that is 2021 you will be getting. So stay stay up to date with the software. That is very important, and you get to learn new things in the software. So as I told you in the introduction tutorial, we have this user interface, and in that user interface we have these templates. So I have a simple meter, architectural meter, simple inches, architectural millimeters, and architectural centimeters. So always I'm going to use meters. It can be simple or architectural. So let's go with the architectural one. And this is our interface for SketchUp. Let's delete this. And yeah, so you can see over here we have this property tab over here, the main tool set over here. But today we are going to import file from AutoCAD to Revit, and other softwares into SketchUp. So let's see how we are going to do that. So for that you have to go to file option, and in file option you can see over here we have import tool. So we are going to use that. Just click on import. Now as I'm going to click on import, wherever I have saved my AutoCAD file or Revit file, I can directly use those files to fetch into my software. So over here you can see these are my AutoCAD files that will be in DWG format for in AutoCAD. So let's ping this one. So you can see over here there are n number of files. So I've chosen all supported files will be default, and let's import that one. So it will take few minutes to import. If you have a good system, it won't take much time, but if the file is too big, then it will take few minutes to fetch in the software. So after importing, the process will be saving, and along with that you will get all the details. Yeah, so you can see over here in the AutoCAD entities, you can see how many layers are there, how many blocks, arcs, circles, ellipse, inserts, and lines are there, two polylines, splines, everything is given in detail. Along with that, how many entities with the range are given over here, and along with that m text, anonymous blocks, and others are given in this total entity format with the given results. So I will just close this, and my file will be imported. So you can see that's my east view, maybe, yeah, of temple. So you can see, so I imported that one. If I want to rotate this, so what I will do, I will just select this one. Okay, let's go to the different line section. Yeah, I'm just going to select this. So if I want to rotate this, I have option over here, rotate tab, and I'm going to select it over here. So I can rotate it in a different direction wherever I want. Okay, along with that, if I want to change the rotation, I will show it in a different view. I've selected that. Just go to rotate option, place it over here, and choose the angle where you want to rotate, and you can rotate it in any direction. Okay, so it can be rotated in 360 degree, or you can give an angle. So I will give 30 degree, and that's it. Just click on enter, so it will be rotated in 30 degree. So that's how we are going to import the file. That's how we are going to rotate it. You want to change the direction, you want to change the axis, you can do that. So stay tuned for next tutorial. We will end this tutorial over here, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned, subscribe my channel so that I will create more videos. Thank you so much.